Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on how to create a Facebook logo with only HTML and CSS. Now let's dive right into it. First, create a basic HTML template by using inline CSS. Then in your body, create a div of main logo. Add an h1 f. Now let's begin the real work. Main a width of 300 pixels, height 300 pixels, background color ash 277 ff f 277 ff. Now let's check this out. This is a square. Now let's make it to be a circle. Other radius 100%, and let's check it out. Now we have this. This circle is going to be in this center and the F in it. Adding top 130 pixels, adding left 450 pixels. Yes, this is it. Remember I said this F has to be in the center. Let's make it to be in the center. We'll start with display flex. Justify content center. The content center. Align items center. Let's check it out. Now the F is in the center. We need to make it to look like the exact Facebook logo. Let's add some more styles. H1. Let's start with color. White. Font family. Sans serif. Font size. Font size is going. Let's choose one. Let's go with 130 pixels. Now let's check it out. Let's increase the font size to 30 pixels. Yeah. This F has to be in this side here, this area. Let's add margin top. Margin top. 330 pixels. Let's change that to 300. Now let's check it out. Let's change that to 330. Now it's all good. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends.